Hello, dear students. I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty God. Before start, I wish to inform, please keep safe your surroundings and stay healthy. Okay, students, let's come to the point to describe today's lessons. Please make your attention to grab the topic smoothly. Lesson 5. Our golden boys and girls. Read about our local football hero Salahuddin. Complete the text using appropriate words. Salahuddin was the most popular football player in our country during the 70s and the mid 80s. He is considered one of the most successful and popular football players in Bangladesh. He was a member of the Sweden Bangla football team during the Liberation War. The team raised funds to support our freedom fight. Salahuddin is the first player from the country to play in the professional league in Hong Kong. After independence, he joined Abahani Krida Chakra and spent there most of his career. For 8 years, he regularly played for his club. He was the highest scorer for 4 consecutive seasons. In 1984, at the peak of his form, Salahuddin decided to retire from football. He also scored 2 goals in the last league match against Brothers Union. He was the best player in that match too. Later, Salahuddin became a football coach and manager of his favorite team Abahani Krida Chakra. Salahuddin's name as a football organizer is also remarkable. Salahuddin is an icon to our football lovers of all ages. Complete the questions about Salahuddin and then answer them. The first one is done for you. When was Salahuddin popular as a football player? During the 70s and the mid 80s. Why did Shadhin Bangla football team raise fund? Shadhin Bangla football team raised fund to support our freedom fight. How many consecutive years did Salahuddin score the highest goal? Salahuddin scored the highest goal in 4 consecutive years. When did he retire from the professional football? He retired from the professional football in 1984 at the peak of his form. What did Salahuddin do after his retirement from football? After his retirement from football, Salahuddin became a football coach and a manager of his favorite team, Abahani Krida Chakra. Other than Bangladesh, where did Salahuddin go to play professional football? Other than Bangladesh, he went to Hong Kong to play professional football. Write a letter or email to your friend to tell about our golden boy Shakib Al Hasan. Use the following cues. You can add few more information as well. Magura, most celebrated cricketer, amazing talent, all-rounder, 7 wickets for 37 runs against New Zealand 2008. 2009, 2010, 2012 Best ODI All-Rounder ICC. 2011 Best All-Rounder Test and ODI. Captain 2010 ICC World Cup Cricket. Listening text 9. Financial Express. VOL 2020 number 311DA 1589 Dhaka, Wednesday, February 3, 2010. মানে VOL 2020 নম্বর 311 DA 1589 ঢাকা, বুধবার, ফেব্রুয়ারি 3, 2010. Bangladeshi shooters clinched both the team and individual gold medals in the women's 10-meter air rifle shooting of the 11th South Asian Games on the opening day of the competition at the National Shooting Complex in Gulshan, Tuesday, reporters UNB. মঙ্গলবার গুলশানে জাতীয় শুটিং ক্লাবে 11তম সাউথ এশিয়ান গেমস এর উদ্বোধনী দিনে মহিলাদের 10 মিটার এয়ার রাইফেল শুটিং এ বাংলাদেশি শুটাররা দলীয় ও এককভাবে স্বর্ণপদক জয় করেন। ইউএনবি রিপোর্ট। বাংলাদেশ শুটিং টিম comprising Sharmin Akhtar Ratna, Soyada Sadia Sultana and Tripurti Dotto grabbed the team event's gold medal scoring total 1191 out of 1200। শারমিন আক্তার রত্না, সৈয়দা সাদিয়া সুলতানা ও তৃপ্তি দত্তের সমন্বয়ে গঠিত বাংলাদেশ শুটিং দল 1200-র মধ্যে 1191 স্কোর করে স্বর্ণপদক ছিনিয়ে আনেন। শারমিন আক্তার রত্না স্কোর্ড 398, সৈয়দা সাদিয়া সুলতানা স্কোর্ড 397 and তৃপ্তি দত্ত স্কোর্ড 396 on the way to win the team gold। দলের জন্য স্বর্ণ জয় করতে শারমিন আক্তার রত্না 398, তৃপ্তি দত্ত 396 স্কোর অর্জন করেন। শারমিন আক্তার রত্না also grabbed the individual gold medal of the same event, scoring 499.4 out of 500, the best ever score by any Bangladeshi shooter. Her teammate Soyeda Sadia Sultana or silver medal scoring 498.3 in keenly contested events. After winning the first shooting gold, Sharmin Akhtar Ratna said, "I am very much happy to win the gold." তার সহখেলোয়াড় সৈয়দা সাদিয়া সুলতানা তীব্র প্রতিযোগিতামূলক এক ইভেন্টসে 498.3 স্কোর করে রৌপ্য পদক অর্জন করেন। শুটিংয়ের প্রথম স্বর্ণ জিতে শারমিন আক্তার রত্না বলেন, স্বর্ণ জিতে আমি খুবই খুশি। We proved our potential in shooting. Now we are looking for the Olympic gold. শুটিংয়ের প্রথম স্বর্ণ জিতে শারমিন আক্তার রত্না বলেন, স্বর্ণ জিতে আমি খুবই খুশি। আমরা শুটিং এ আমাদের সম্ভাবনাকে প্রমাণ করতে পেরেছি। সাদিয়া said, "I am so happy. It gives me immense pleasure to back the gold in the events." আমরা এখন অলিম্পিকের স্বর্ণের দিকে তাকিয়ে আছি। সাদিয়া বলেন, আমি খুবই খুশি। Now it is time to look forward. ইভেন্টে স্বর্ণ পাওয়াটা আমাকে খুবই আনন্দ দিয়েছে। এখন সামনে তাকানোর পালা। With this success, both expect gold in the upcoming Olympic Games. এই সাফল্যের সাথে উভয়েরই আশা করছেন আসন্ন অলিম্পিক স্বর্ণ জেতার। The two shooters dedicates their medals to their parents as well as the people of Bangladesh. দুই শুটারই তাদের পদক তাদের বাবা মা ও বাংলাদেশি মানুষকে উৎসর্গ করেছেন। I hope you are able to understand the passage. So, students, thanks for watching and listening to online class. Thanks a lot.